If you need to rotate a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to rotate a clip in CapCut PC step by step, so you can fix sideways footage, create a clean vertical look, or simply adjust the angle of your video in just a few seconds. This is one of those small editing changes that can make a huge difference in how your final video looks, and the best part is, it's super easy to do. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you already have a project started, just load it up from your recent files or from the main dashboard. If you're starting fresh, create a new project and get ready to import your media. Once your project is open, add the video clip you want to rotate to the timeline. You can usually do this by dragging the video from your media library straight down into the timeline area. Make sure the clip is placed on the main video track so you can edit it properly. Now click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. This step is important because CapCut only shows the editing controls for the clip you have selected. After the clip is selected, look at the right side panel in CapCut. You'll want to find the video section, then go into Basic. Inside that menu, you should see the rotate option. This is where CapCut lets you change the angle of your video. From here, you have two easy ways to rotate your clip. You can drag the rotation slider left or right until the video is positioned the way you want, or you can click into the value box and type in a specific rotation amount. For example, if you want to turn a sideways video upright, you can enter 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees, depending on the direction you need. If the video is only slightly off, you can also use smaller adjustments until it looks perfect. As you change the rotation, watch the preview window so you can see the result right away. This makes it easy to fine-tune the angle without guessing. If your clip is rotated and you notice black bars or empty space around it, you may need to resize or reposition the clip afterwards so it fills the frame properly. That can help your video look more polished and professional. Once you're happy with the rotation, simply keep your edits as they are and your video is ready for the next step in your project. That's really all there is to it. Rotating a video in CapCut PC is fast, beginner-friendly, and useful for everything from fixing phone recordings to creating more stylized edits. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and easy software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.